First of all, take your Grand Finale and just tip it back and forth or roll it a few times. Never shake it. It's ready. My other tip is to use a soft bristled brush. You don't want to put brush marks into your coating, so use a soft brush. This one works great, and also the fan brush works great. Today I'm going to use the Taklon brush. I always start on my tumbler about 3/4 of the way from the bottom and start brushing it out. Make sure your room temperature is above 68 degrees. It helps with the leveling and the drying of the product. I'm brushing it from the bottom to the top so that I don't have any lines in my finish. Once I get through with the top, I'm going to go to the bottom and take any excess and put it on the bottom. There we are. That's it. Give it 2 hours to dry between coats, and then you can continue with your next coat.